Hello everyone, this is Gomathi Shankar. I'm happy to meet you all in a new video. So thank you all my dear 24K subscribers. I thank each and every one of you right from the bottom of my heart. Okay, you are all the pillars of my educational initiative. So keep sharing my YouTube videos and YouTube channel to all your trading circle. So before going to today's video, this is a kind warning to all my subscribers. I really care for retail people. So don't get tips or intraday calls from anybody. Every day, many new people are WhatsApping me and sending mails to me. Okay, they are being cheated and backstabbed by these tips and calls providers. Okay, so please don't trust them. Whoever it is, please don't trust intraday calls and tips. And don't give your client ID and password to anybody to trade on your behalf. Even to your friend, please don't give it. And don't give your money to any unauthorized persons who are not registered with SEBI. Okay, they will blow up your trading account, they will lose all your money. Okay, so this is my friendly warning. You can take me as your brother, you can take me as your mentor, you can take me as your friend. Please don't do these mistakes. Okay, so today's video is all about controlling greediness in trading. See, past this 1 week, many of my students as well as few of my followers, they started to tell how to control this greed in trading. How to control your greed in trading. For example, I will tell you one thing. See, you are going to schools, right? We people go to schools. Okay, in school what happens, we will have a competitor to learn well. Okay, we need to get than our friend. Even in college also, even in college what happens, you will have your friend or you will have a competitor person to get good marks than that particular person. Now you are going to office, you are going to office. Okay, whatever job you are in, you are going to your office, you are having a competitor. Okay, you are taking your colleague as a competitor. You need to get good name from your manager than your competitor. Okay, you need to finish your works, you need to complete your project in a shorter time frame compared to your competitor. So in all our fields we are having some competitor. For example, your neighbor, who is your nearby house neighbor, is going to a vacation. Now again what you will do, you will also will pack up with your family and you will also will go for a vacation. So these kind of activities we are doing in our day-to-day life. Similarly, in trading, there is no competition at all. For example, in trading, the competitor is you only. You should trade better than yesterday. Tomorrow, you should trade better than today. In trading, your only competitor is you. Look at the mirror, your only competitor is you. So, how to control that greediness? So, to control the greediness, first you should challenge yourself to be better than yesterday. You should challenge yourself to be better than last week. You should challenge yourself to be better than last month. For that, what I used to do is, I used to take this 30-day challenge from FYERS. See, I used to recommend FYERS to my students as well as for my followers because this trading view platform provided by FYERS is very best in class trading platform. Sometimes I used to take heavy positions in intraday. I never worry at all because I just click this exit position and I click yes, all of my positions will be closed. So the thing is, this platform offers you a wide variety of opportunities, But you should identify that. That is very important. You should identify that. That is very, very important. In FYERS, this particular 30-day challenge is very beautiful. Is very, very beautiful. This will help you to challenge yourself to be better than last week, last month, and every day. It will make you a consistent trader. Now, what is this 30-day challenge? See, you just click on this 30-day challenge, you will be redirected to a new tab. Okay. See, this 30-day challenge is a simple psychological reward system. See, what we people are doing, we are blindly opening our trading system. We are blindly trading. Okay. Whether we are making profit, whether we are making loss, blindly we are coming and we are going. So nobody is considering this trading as a business. So this 30-day challenge will make you to be profitable throughout the 30 days. It is like challenging yourself to be a good person, to be a disciplined trader. Now, this 30-day challenge, what is the help of this 30-day challenge? See, you have to click on this start challenge. Okay. First, I will explain you about this 30-day challenge. Let us click learn more about this 30-day challenge. First, I will explain you what is this 30-day challenge is all about. See, in this, when you take this 30-day challenge, see here, if you trade profitably for a period of 30 days, your entire brokerage will be refunded. So, the advantage of taking 30 days challenge is your entire brokerage which you generate in this 30 days will be refunded back to you. See, in this 30 days challenge, net profit is considered. Okay. It doesn't mean every day you should make profit. It doesn't mean like that. You can make profit today, you can make loss tomorrow, you can make profit yesterday, you can make loss today. No problem. On the whole, the net profit, considering that 30 trading days, you should be in profitable. Okay. So keep in mind that you will have to be in net profits after accounting for brokerage charges. Okay. Even after calculating the brokerage charges, you should be in net profit. So what happens? Your brokerage, an upper limit, a maximum 10,000 rupees will be refunded back to you. See, this is like rewarding yourself. For example, I am trading profitably for 30 days. Okay. After 30 days, what do I get? I don't get anything if I am not taking up this challenge. I am trading every day, I am making profits. 30 days I am profitable, 60 days I am profitable, 90 days I am profitable. I am not getting anything. But when you switch on this FYERS 30-day challenge, it is like challenging yourself to be a disciplined trader. You will reduce your greediness. To win this challenge, you will reduce your greediness. You yourself will reduce your greediness. That is the important thing. And another thing, after winning this 30 days challenge, what happens? You will win a brokerage refund of 10,000 rupees. It is like rewarding yourself. It is like rewarding yourself. Okay, this money will be credited to your trading account. So, and another one thing is you will get a certificate also for winning this 30-day challenge. Okay, you will also get a certificate. See here, a certificate of achievement you will receive upon successful completing of this 30-day challenge. Okay, so this is what I will suggest to keep yourself less greedy person. Okay, many of my students as well as followers, they are telling they are unable to control the greediness. So when you take this 30-day challenge, what happens? Since you have to win this 30-day challenge, you will control your greediness. If I am telling you to book your profit at 50% of S1, S2 or S2, S3, you should do that. Clear? See, I am always telling to book profit at 50% level. Why? What is the reason? to keep you less greedy person. You can take position at 9:15, you can sit till 3:30, no problem. But is that a right way of trading? No. You should know where to enter and where to exit. When you book your profit at S2 and S3 50%, S1, S2 50%, R1, R2 50%, when you are booking your profit, when you are keeping your target small, your winning probability will increase. This is a very important thing which many retail traders don't know. Keep your target small, your winning trades will increase ultimately. And if you take this 30-day challenge, it is like challenging yourself. As I told earlier, there is no competitor for you in trading. In office, you are having your colleague as a competitor. In schools and colleges, we are having our friends as a competitor to score good marks. But only in trading, we are not having any competitors at all. So you don't know whether you are progressing forward or not. You don't know anything. This 30-day challenge will keep you psychologically active to be a profitable and disciplined trader. Okay. So next time when you are taking trades from Monday, start this 30-day challenge in FYERS. If you are not having account with FYERS, no problem. I will give you the account opening link in the video description. Okay, click on that link and open an account now with FYERS. Start this 30-day challenge. Okay, every month you will be a consistent trader. You can analyze if you are losing today this month 30-day challenge, no problem. It will tell you what are the mistakes you are making. Okay, you can analyze yourself why you went wrong in this particular month. After that, the next month again you can start the challenge and again you can improve yourself. Okay, so this is a small video about controlling your greediness. Okay, how to be profitable in a long run. Okay, so that's all, my dear friends. This is a short video to keep yourself active even in a weekend. Okay, since it is Saturday and Sunday, there is no market. Don't think you can be free. Don't think you can be happy with your family members. Your mind should always, your subconscious should always have the trading. Okay, this trading should be running into your bloodstreams. Okay, so this small video will keep you a proactive thought about trading. Okay, so thank you all, my dear subscribers. Share this video to all your trading circle. Okay, and don't forget to start the 30-day challenge. And come on, let's see what happens in the next 30 days. Okay, so thank you. If you are not having account with FYERS, immediately click the below video description link and you can open your account right now. Thank you. Bye.